Right, so please take out your English and Language Arts folder. Go ahead and open that up. And you're going to pull out this Reading Wonders booklet. Okay, so, and we're going to be turning the pages until we get to this page right here. Okay, so on this page, the first thing that we're going to do, we're going to listen for beginning sounds that start with the k, 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 like koala up here, okay? And then if the picture begins with that sound, we're going to write the K. If it doesn't, we'll go ahead and leave it blank, okay? So for instance, on line number 1, we have a key that begins with a k, k, with the letter K, k, okay? Then right here, on the next one, we have a k, k, kite, okay? And that begins with our lowercase k, k, so we can write that. Okay. Number 2 right here, that's a penguin, so we don't say kanguin, so we can't write a K there, right? Okay, so we're going to skip that one. Then right here, we have a king, k, k, king. So we can write the lowercase k because king starts with K, that's its letter. Now this right here, the little boat right there, that is called a kayak. Say kayak. You can hear the k, k, k sound. So yes, we can write the letter K here. And then, of course, that is our koala right there, koala. And you can hear the k, k, K sound for koala. Okay. Number 4, that one is a lamp. Oh, so we don't write the L. We don't write the L. We don't have to write anything because that begins with the L. And then finally, we've got a kangaroo. Kangaroo k, 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 begins with the letter K. So go ahead and write another letter K. So letter K can be a little bit of a challenge to write, but you guys can do it. I've seen you in class. You're doing a great job with those. Okay, so this was beginning sounds with the k sound. Okay. So let's flip to the back side now. So join me and flip to the back side. So you'll notice that there are times when the k sound comes at the end of the word and you'll have the CK together. Okay, so that's what we're working on here. So this is a tack, say tack. So we need to write the C and K together. When they come together and they make one sound. K, k, okay. So go ahead and trace those. Then when you see the sock, you hear the k sound at the end. And again, that's written with the C and the K together. So go ahead and write that right there. Okay, 2 letters, sock. Okay, this number 2 is a word that rhymes with sock. That is called a dock. The dock, it's where you put the boats when you're not using them, at the dock. K, k. So you hear the k sound at the end, so you're going to write the C and the K right there. Okay? So join me. If you haven't already started, write your C and your K. Now you have a sock, a dock, and a lock. Lock. K, k. Again, it has the k sound at the end that we write with a C and a K together. The C and the K together come together and make one sound. K, k. Okay, let's go down to number 3. Okay, this is a duck, duck, k, k, k. And you can hear the k sound at the end. So we need to write that with a C and a K. Right? Duck does not rhyme with lock, dock, and sock, though. Okay. Now over here we have a balloon. So the ending sound is not k, so we don't have to write anything. Okay. Number 4, we have a mouse. Mouse. So the ending sound is not the k sound, so we don't have to write anything. Finally, we have a rock. Rock. Rock rhymes with sock and lock and dock. So it does have the k sound at the end, so let's write that C and that K right there. And that is your ending sound, k, written with the CK. So how'd you do? All you have to do next is give yourself your exit ticket. Okay, check your work, make sure you have a CK, 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 CK in all those places. And if you do, then you are all done. You can close this up and put this back in your language arts folder and close that up, and you're ready for your next lesson. Great job, boys and girls.